If you're looking to track click-through rates on ads created with AdCreative AI, you're in the right place. In this video, I'll show you exactly how to track those rates and why AdCreative AI is a game changer for anyone wanting to improve their ad performance, all while keeping it simple for beginners. Before we dive in, if you're new to AdCreative AI, you're in for a treat. You can get started with the software for free just by using the link in the description below. Plus, we've got some exclusive bonuses that will help you get the most out of the software. Stay tuned until the end to learn how to unlock an extended free trial and other perks. So let's get right to it. First things first, AdCreative AI is a powerful tool that helps create high-performing ads using artificial intelligence. This AI analyzes millions of ads to generate designs that convert, making it ideal for advertisers who want to save time and improve their ad performance. Now, let's talk about click-through rates. The click-through rate, or CTR, is the ratio of users who click your ad versus the number of people who see it. It's one of the most important metrics to track when it comes to optimizing your ad performance, because a higher CTR means your ad is resonating with your audience. To track CTR on ads created with AdCreative AI, start by linking your AdCreative AI account with your ad platform, whether that's Google Ads, Facebook, or any other platform you're using. Once that's done, you can start tracking your CTR data directly from your AdCreative AI dashboard. You'll notice that AdCreative AI provides insights into how your ads are performing, including the number of impressions, clicks, and the CTR. The platform automatically updates these metrics in real time, so you can quickly assess how well your ads are doing and make adjustments if needed. The key thing here is that AdCreative AI not only helps you create the ads, but also lets you monitor their success all in one place. If you're running multiple ads, AdCreative AI makes it easy to compare their performance. You'll be able to see which ad designs, headlines, and call to action buttons are driving the most clicks. This means you can use that data to iterate on your ads and focus on what works best, instead of wasting time on ads that aren't performing as well. One of the features I really love about AdCreative AI is its ability to A/B test your ads. You can create different versions of your ads with small variations and track which one generates the best CTR. It's an efficient way to test different ideas and optimize your campaign in real time, all powered by AI. Also, don't forget about the built-in reports that break down your ad performance, including CTR. These reports are perfect for analyzing the effectiveness of your campaigns over time. You can even download the data to analyze it in more detail or share it with your team. Now, if you're just starting with AdCreative AI, keep in mind that the software is designed to be user-friendly, but don't worry if you don't have a deep technical background. The software is intuitive, and the tracking metrics you need are laid out clearly, so you can easily focus on improving your ads and boosting CTR. Before we wrap up, remember that you can try AdCreative AI for free through the link below. We're offering an exclusive extended trial with bonuses, so you can dive in and start optimizing your ads with no risk. To recap, tracking click-through rates on ads created with AdCreative AI is simple and straightforward. With powerful real-time data, A/B testing features, and easy-to-understand reports, you'll have all the tools you need to make your ads work harder for you. Make sure to check out the exclusive free trial through the link in the description and start seeing better results from your ads today.